In Tower Defense Simulator, it can be tricky to get gems. Luckily, a few weeks ago I discovered a new glitch which allows you to farm a literally infinite amount of them, where you don't even need to play hardcore at all, but can rather complete this tactic even as a brand new level 0 player. Now, I already have the 2 towers which cost gems, so I'm going to take this fresh account I made and use this glitch to get a ton of gems and the hardcore towers, all at level 0. Now, the method is a bit complicated, so just make sure to follow along with all these steps closely. Firstly, you're going to need to click on some specific towers in the shop. In this order, clicking no others, check Mortar Soldier, Hunter, the Gold Crate, Mortar Scout, Turret Rocketeer, Ace Pilot, and Turret again. Then, while still in the lobby, you need to position your avatar by the hardcore elevators. If you're not level 50, this part is a bit trickier, but you can kinda smush yourself in there. It's a bit finicky, but this next step is much easier. You just want to quickly join a game and place a tower, any tower. Then you just want to leave the game. This is the trickiest part of the gem glitch, as you're now going to want to join the game Tower Blitz. Now, normally you couldn't influence the game by playing another game, of course, but this is a very uncommon exception due to both games being in the tower defense genre. So to get the gems in TDS, you're now going to want to save some sequences in Tower Blitz. Make sure to only click the towers, mark it Elite, Mechanic, Electricizer, Businessman twice, and Sniper 3 times. From there, you want to head back to TDS. As you can see, the UI changed a bit. And now all you want to do is join the game, while making sure you have at least one emote equipped. That tower you placed earlier shouldn't be enough defense, and you should be just about to lose, which is perfect. Just play it out, and then when the ending screen pops up, you have to type in the game chat this exact binary sequence. And as you press enter in the chat, use whatever emote you equipped earlier. If you do it right, the lost screen should flicker for a split second, and then reappear. It can be a bit hard to see, but you should get it quickly. From there, you just want to repeat this process. Copy paste the binary, emote, flicker, etc. Every time the screen disappears like that, the numerical values from the original TDS towers are called, and compared to the Tower Blitz values. This attempts to reset your tower's loadout value to 0, or more plainly, to remove all the towers from your loadout. However, the TDS devs coded a hard lock on loadouts when the rejoining feature was added, so you know people couldn't leave the game and change the towers and come back. So the reset value is instead assigned to the next variable, going from loadout.xce to lostscreen.xce, repeatedly awarding the player coins, which, thanks to storing the coordinates by the hardcore elevator, are now gems. In my case, after joining back to the lobby, I now had hundreds of thousands of gems, and can now easily buy these towers, even as a low-level player. So with my glitched account, I can now confuse a ton of people, and get some wins I should not be able to. Finding this glitch took so long. Thanks for watching, subscribe.